This is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this tutorial, I will explain you how you can use our Walmart scraping API to scrape Walmart at scale. So first of all, let's understand how what are the applications of using Walmart API. So like you can track prices, you can compare your pricing from Walmart to Amazon, eBay, etc. Or you can create a pricing strategy using our Walmart scraping API. So let's open a sample Walmart product page and see what we can get from this particular page. Let's copy this URL and let's navigate to our dashboard and see how we can scrape Walmart with our API. Here we are. Let's just paste it and hit try it button. The API is very fast and you will get the response in 1 or 2 seconds. So here's the title of the product, HP Stream 14-inch Windows laptop. Here's the short description. Here is the specifications of the product, and most important thing, that is the pricing. Here's the pricing. So you can scale with our API and you can scrape millions of Walmart pages with our API. Like if you need just the HTML code, not the JSON part, then you can just copy, then you can just pass a parameter by the name HTML is equal to true. And in that case, you will get complete Walmart page in HTML format like this page. So if you have now any questions regarding any API from scrapingdog.com, do reach out us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.